I am starting my video off in a little something just a tad bit different. So right now I am in a laundromat and to my surprise, they do have them here in Japan. It's actually a few, not very many, but a couple. I had to get up early this morning so I could wash a few clothes. I wanted to do it last night, but I was tired. It is so hot right now in Japan. It's super humid and it's just weird. It's just a very weird mixture of heat, humidity, and it's been raining sometimes because we're still in typhoon season. So it has just been a combination of mad, disrespectful weather right now. I've been experiencing a lot of the effects because of the weather and pollution here in Japan. So my face has been breaking out and I've been using a different cleanser. I use 2 different cleansers here that's been helping to clear my face up from the pollution and the bacteria from me working with those kids, because no one covers their mouth while they sneeze. So I get sprayed all the time by the kids and it's just disgusting. So I've been having to use an antibacterial on my face before and after I leave the classroom because it's just trifling and it's nasty. But yeah, life in Japan. But overall, right now I am the only one here, so it's really quiet. But I mean, all in all, the laundromat is really small. There really isn't much. I think it's relatively very expensive. Just to wash a load of clothes is 600 yen, which is very close to like $5. And I do believe it's 10 minutes for 1 yen. I'm sorry, 100 yen. And that's expensive too, because 100 yen is equivalent to $1. But I try to at least do the coin laundry at least once a month. And then the others, I just kind of like hand wash and just put it out on the balcony. But last week it just rained every day and I just couldn't, I need clean clothes. So here I am before work just trying to get that done, but I wanted to hop on here and show you guys what a Japanese laundromat looks like. So nothing too out of the ordinary. The top layer with the orange dryers, which I'm showing you, are for men, and the bottom pink ones are from the men. Right here, those are for your larger clothes, your blankets, pillows, towels, all that good stuff. Over here are your more heavy duty washers. So, you know, just put what you need there. The bigger they are, the more expensive they are. And I have a small one, and again, that's like 600 yen, but yeah, again, I need new clothes. Oh, in the very corner, they also have a changer. So you can just, you know, put your 500 yen, your 1,000 yen, and it gives you what you need. So one of the bigger things I noticed was the cart. So back in the States, they are more square. These are definitely more rectangular, but they still operate the same. Just here in Japan, everything's all about space and just making sure things are organized and orderly. So you just put it right there when you're done and you just keep it moving. So that is my life at the current moment. Really just kind of hanging out and chilling, and I'm about to read this magazine, about to eat some breakfast soon, head up for work. We are dead in the middle of summer school, very busy time. So yeah, just kind of getting some things done and trying to just be my best self at all times. You know, living here has been wonderful and it's been a good experience, but I have my days just like I would if I was back home. Some days are good, some days are just like, oh my God. But overall, it's been fine. Just definitely trying to get some things accomplished with myself, with my finances, and just achieve the goals that I want to achieve while I'm here in Japan, which is the ultimate reason for me being here. Is just some self goals, some financial goals, and coming back home better than when I came, and I'm really feeling like I'm definitely putting that into place. So just continue to stick with me and see the different changes that I have and I'm making while I'm here. So I just wanted to show you guys what a typical Japanese coin laundry looks like, but nothing special. So I'll definitely check back in here in a little bit and show you guys what I'm up to.